Let's go.
So yeah, tell us about your
Ladies
M2.
and gentlemen, well, here we are, and here we have a beautiful M4.
Dude, don't show the 428, please don't.
It's a M4. It's not a 428. It's got inventory intakes. It's stock ride high.
It's just the
badge.
they're just the badges, right?
Yeah.
Just he swapped the badges.
Crazy carbon fiber steering wheel.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy carbon fiber interior. Right on white. Crazy heads up display.
Oh,
All right, now we have this beautiful M2 comp. D badge. It's a 228 with apexes. Well, D badge to nothing actually. Yeah, so it's hanging in there, as you can see.
Let's get a little close up of that.
Crazy. We got, it's a black on black and red interior.
Black on
Ignore
black.
the solo cup.
Get a little view of the salonchik.
We got calipers from an F10 M5.
Oh, you swapped the calipers?
No, that's what they come. But they're bigger than like an M4 or an M3.
Let's get my shadow out of the way. Let's close that door, get a little 360. And then I'll hand this apparat over to you.
I feel left out.
Well, yeah, what size are you? 255s?
There, yeah, 255 rear and then 285.
285. I'm running 235s on my Civic.
But yeah, that's it.
All right, let's take a look at this M4.
Off
This
your hood, Dan. But inventory intakes.
Yo, get under the car, show us those downpipes.
the downpipes.
Callus downpipes.
No, you won't see it.
Oh, you got covers on them.
Yeah, you won't see it. They're like Ashtama.
Is that your transmission radiator right here?
Where? I'm missing at the pan right now. Yeah, I'm showing you in pastel.
Okay, for like all the vent flow.
Yeah, this is my oil pan right here. Oil cooler.
Oil cooler. Okay. You got trans cooler as well?
Yeah, I actually.
Dan, what happened? Tell us.
Oh, shoot. So I call up Dan. I'm like, yo, does it have a transmission cooler? No, it doesn't have no transmission.
It's internal, right? Or no?
And so after I fixed that, I never put any tranny oil. And then I was going to a youth gathering, and then my transmission line came off, so all the oil came out. And then I towed it back home, put everything together, thought it was my oil line that came off, so I did an oil change, started it up, and then I lost second, fourth, and sixth gear on it. And then I scanned it, it gave me a check engine light, and it said second, fourth, and sixth shift fork broken. So my buddy called me, he's like, dude, there's no shift forks on it because there's the transmission shifts with solenoids. And so we put in some fresh fluid, and she's
back alive.
Dude. She's back alive now.
Nice.
But there is no cooler though.
There is a cooler. There is a cooler right here. It's a small one. Here's lines. What? Yo, you wanna grab your camera? Cause I'm gonna do like two
donuts? Yeah.
What does that mean? Hold up! Hold up! What does that mean? They're laughing at me, but fam, they're laughing at me.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to the fans.
Wow.
Yeah. Telling them that you're.
I'll show you some how to drive an M right now.
Да. Okay, давай, показывай.
Yo,
You wanna hop in, Matt?
it's a manual.
All right, we're gonna watch Dan cook. Oh damn. Hella raspy though. Spin out. That didn't work.
Practice makes perfect.
No, you see this black asphalt? It's way too sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Asphalt is way too sticky. I can't.
You gonna redo that?
Probably not. I already have wires on my. But sure, let's redo that. Joe, let's wait till these people go.
I need to take a fat leak, dude, real quick.
All right.
Dude, I was scared of shooting. I didn't know if I was going on the grass.
Yeah,
I was scared of shooting rocks on your car.
that's fine. I'ma go.
Give me a minute.
All right, bet. I'ma drift here.
You're gonna drift right here?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna do a quick U-turn real quick.
Oh yeah. Okay.
After you.
All right, bet. It's like my tires don't want to let loose.
Yeah. That guy's just watching us.
Tires are just too sticky. That's the only problem. It's just too sticky. I'm done. Just kidding. Round 3.
Well, your tires are like bald.
I know. I don't know why. That was sick.
Oh my gosh, look at this smoke. About to cause a forest fire.
Sure, that's what I wanted to do.
That was a nice trip.
All right, let's get out of here.
Let's go. That'll.
Sure, I'm done. Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Come on, boys. All right, you can turn this on.
volleyball.
Alright, that's not gonna work. We're gonna need a desk with the volleyball.
What are we doing here?
Give me a minute, brother. I'll be back. You gonna go ball?
I'm drift here.
You're gonna drift right here?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna do a quick U-turn real quick.
Oh yeah. Okay.
After you.
Right back.
Alright, let's go. Oh shoot. Bro's risking it all. That's a clip of the day.
That's clip of the day. There's gonna be a lot of tunnels. Absolutely dogging on this Prius trying to
See
keep
the
up.
Warriors, I'm like right next to them. Straight away, bye bye.
Bye bye. This is the overlook I think I wanted to do it at. Yeah. This would have been nicer right here.
From what I remember, it's a little big.
Wait, no, it's not it.
It's sort of right after
Frank, man.
pretty much. Or yeah, Frank.
What's up, brother? Bro's just molesting the BMW. he's confused. He doesn't know what to do now.
He doesn't accept that kind of defeat.
Friendly fire will not be tolerated.
Are you traction off? Now wait, dude.
Dude, this thing just wants to go and go and go.